Emphatic letters in Arabic. So we have 4 of these in Arabic, the emphatic letters, meaning we stress them, we make them sound heavy, they're not regular. So I'm going to give you an example. One is, so we have the regular S, which is Seen, harf al-Seen, this is it right here. And then we have the Sad, so. You almost want to say it as if you're a little bit angry, so. So it's not sa, so. I'm going to give you guys some examples. So Seen, regular S, we have Salam, which is peace, Salam. Okay, then we have Sa'id, happy. This means happy, but it's also a common Arabic name for a male, Sa'id. Okay, now you wouldn't say Salam. Imagine we're changing this to the emphatic. You want to say Salam, Salam, regular S. Similarly, Sa'id, not Sa'id. Okay, Sadiq. Here we have Sadiq, not Sadiq, Sadiq. Okay, and then here Sahra, Sahra, not Sahra. So for a lot of beginners, even intermediate, even advanced learners, this is a challenge, kind of identifying the differences between sounds. But my advice to you would be to exaggerate the sounds. So for Sadiq, pronounce it with a regular S, see how it sounds. Sadiq. That's not Sadiq, Sadiq. Similarly, Sahra, not Sahra. Let me know what other words are giving you guys trouble. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.